Unyina akwa baby that was so share Badwam on Adom TV, multi-TV, so sounds now live on Facebook, YouTube, or other social media handles now akwa search for Adom TV. Ube here live and so what me ahwich media say call edifa free sabre kopem se nonkono ebe bombedin de akwasi ensia betrem maso my Ghana ama Ghana ayefe aye akorefa na sekese koma Hepa Plus mixture. The papa pen ne intidi yade atwereti e mama nsa huna mane wodwama so nyina no eboa esa yade ententem so eye Hepa Plus mixture etu se nipadwam dodo pe doctor ka kire se intidi yade aba nipadwam a edura mekanfo ede amao eno sanso ana Franco Trading Enterprise ye kan ye se phone papa phone ye kama phone ye gina naso ya ne bo enso ewo fom efie enso en wonam Kel Chaco toothpaste we pour semasin aye fita eno na mekanfo ede magara supermarket bi abekombia no also hwe Kel Chaco toothpaste isa se eno ene papa sanso na City Blood Tonic enso eni mojedure ne aba agi amanfo ama de hie egina ye na so enso eno ba bi eton do bi akwansa ebeka bi atodwe koda so yasene ebi ede Mpensenpensenmu dwumadie ebro live on Adom TV Badwam dwumadie eso. Happy birthday and confirma Mabel Ajua Asantewa. Mabel Ajua Asantewa. If you wakasa unya nana kwame adasa ho ena odi emo si mebe happy birthday ena enko enfa emam. Abejafo atras ye babedi enkomo. Yamle abejafo ababedi enkomo. Ne mansa na metwa mo ababat. Aseba kwa mpacho before se metwa mo ene se Ghana Revenue Authority for any adwadefo wo Asantemantem asem no. Nie akofa aba nyina komo edi wo fom nyina eye lack of education. Lack of education. Education enkoso. In fact, GRA PR department e modern mo e wo fom pa. GRA PR department and modern more ever form engaging media manfo ehunu ne ekoso no ever form the same at the corner ye ne tena ho ama yi levy be yen sensen bebre wo ye memu because na information inflow. And you know say 3 months to the passage of ye levy no not even government appointees bebre kran wo muni so koye cash out ayen to ye levy because only education. And I could fast away in Adiaba. Mamra, I'm never jafo, and to us. Aqua baby, me ababadi and como. If I can and can call any puntu. A Wamisha same free Kumasi traders any GR4 and send some year abay emo. Na say and Rebeto just say Kumasi had 4 more doom and so much to Tomu shops because of the way taxes non sem etientino. National organizer Edema NPP Amayoko Henry Nanabuachi Nanabi. Issue statement na ne statement no kan nyina fu ano kan nyina ne se GRA oppresse eye adwadefo ye wo Asante Mantem Isa Fuseni former MP for Okai Kwei North sanso na chief Bini eye deputy national organizer ma NDC amyoko but for call there
akwese nyame adomo anope metia chief so na Mitia washefo nyina asam kura member kana aka with time never ba
chief atari so fe na fa so
I guess the caveman watching yes
okay
atari I know memre ni media and that's who did you TV so there na just say
chief ya she
Yami Adom ne mo mpaibo.
Elections more driver.
Oh, say no the close to 22nd be constituency elections. No?
Okay.
And next month and 11th so be regional elections. No?
Okay.
Na hopefully 17th December. There are national elections. This is it we are in a campaign mood from the constituency level. Region no so I'm for EPK forms. Omo betumi a file na omo akotru omo vetting so that they can be cleared na omo akọ regional elections the same way na we do national so je di say nyankopon ya adoma by the end of the year there na yatoto saa nneɛma no nyinaa wie sɛ ne bɛyɛ as a party no yɛbɛtumi focus on the da yɛnim wohwɛ topics here who say who behia sɛ nisi bɛba ti ɛno ho adwuma no yɛ
Honorable Kumasi Traders energy are tini yɛnti ase anaasɛ ɛboapayo
akwesi mechia okakwe no for so anope na ensema esi wo Kumasi no mesomate TV ye ni so adi akire na all starting no can say nka Ghana Revenue Authority omo PR department no senia omo ne amanfo de isawoso no menyi ni say ekosenia enyina ya expect because nka adwumakuo bi to say GRA AD dwuma bi a wo be expect say nka mbebo hu de ro ema manfo ate ase say ne say ene ye ewo mre yi mu na de nti ayeye say no so ene say ne say enti samanfo ete de wo ye na se a then they can move along with you say ne be ya bien konya nsema AC ewo Kumasi na eya masifim kakra because o me mu no yesi emre bi na e move from the to at some point time people still agree say the best campaign ever in this country because for us to have moved from right hand drive to left hand drive with virtually no accidents, men say campaign went on the ground and can no any example. Now if in the 70s we were able to do that, not enne this big kakra na disagreement just say there is some gap bia what say you see gap senior how can social media so cry by say dissemination of information okra no nkan what say ekọ baby a ekọ no na e dey na GRA baby a memete na djuma mayenti sometimes no mete say nyam yes obi bia be filing a tax returns self declaration or befa forms na can say afi we meton nyama x value so x value no e ka say na me boy me fa so ni emfa so no so e na obetua o tax that's for a business now they are called down GRA the GRA be most of the time be 80 to 90% of the time senior what they call no be fa na say say questions bi wo ho a wo so mo bisa na say ensimu senior omo expect ya omo be timi atro be invite so nsa wo so no be ko ema ya bottom line ya hu na ya hu right assessment no na wetia but GRA so ewo to me say declaration na wo dey kon ono so e san say na djuma no say obe nya the right level of revenues no ono so etimi ekodwom ekohe say say declaration ya menye ani eye right declaration ana say nyama bi ekos wo dwom a menti ase enti me say the revenues na menya no enye the right level enti GRA so etimi eko na the menti ase no say GRA ekodwom o de crofom ye dwuma wo GRA akokọ nyumakuo bim so omo shops na omo make sure say futuo ya na say records dwumakuo ye de file on tax returns project ana say right ana enti nka say ensa woso no timi ekoso a anka enye bibi a wo say edo extent amanfo betu omo shops yeko yeka we se baby a ya bedu ene no yanka say revenue mobilization problem emaye enti na ene cedi dollar no kra ewo sa enti a cedi dollar no etisa na say international market ayeko friend euro bonds no na just kakra yidi no na mu kra nyini say ye betimi enya ye local revenue square de etimi etia saka enti access kra is denied ye deny access to the euro market no enti nka fibia sa be 2 billion na ye nya de be support cedi no afi we ye ntimi enya sa cedi no e na ama cedi na depreciate akosi baby a ewo no enti edu baby a wo say obia should put their shoulders to the wall to ensure say revenues ni nyina no ye betimi esisi baby a enyi afa no se ne be ya yes ye be kire international partners say we have the capacity to get our local revenues. I bet me Eddie Esija. I see. In the last 2 times, I might call shop a bit to say game.
Okay.
The last 2 times I made my call. I call either game and I shop right. Okay. One time, no, I achimata more. Other time, I cram more. Okay. I'm a cool mono. After my fee cashier, now where issue me receipt. I brand a bisu to her. I brand a also bring your receipt or buy the receipt. You know what the insano or their record. Yeah. A verification exercise. Who was system juma, but every now and again, no. I was say we do manual microphone call down. I question say system me and me di atoa me di enya me revenues and is it the right thing? Me sure at the end of the day, no. The advantage now all me receipt. I was shop right no ebetro. Any records or money ebe till no. Omo be reconcile. I say between till no hano. Is the business making the right revenue? Bibia. Every now and again, I was here. Now, me can be so. The menu, Nana Boache, so after the all can say. In prepared, no, Sanka amount for a year or more self assessment, no more filing tax returns. No, now, GRA, I want same be I will be a friend of tax investigations. And no, a year very detailed, and only a very detailed. So, and only another level. It is Sanka, a couple of businesses, and they are flag say this time, no. We are going to investigate these businesses. And no, almost form invoices in Yamra. They will toy, they will expend it, and only a very detailed. But verification, dear, and normal a year. And what's a gossip Mpensenpensenmu amount for a better or shop or mona, senia, reports are yano. Obie to quite a fee in a crass. Say me ba edum abedi dwa kakra obedu won ya to shop no afei na also no so echo and nyina so affect economic activity along the value chain nyina
omusi enya
ntwa na afei na GRA verification na mo kon kwa e bia na yakolusu more revenue as a result of lack of economic activity ekoso wenya ya nyama bia e was say we have to avert our minds me mfa so bo no emmo adwadifo no me mfa so bo no emmo GRA. But the main fees and what's the year no say. Senior Wokano. Enke is our so no echo swa. Enke enko simpempen. So I no pay na make can be one of the media outlets no say. Yesterday there was a meeting between GRA and the leadership of Adjei no. And they made progress. And I was expecting say like my progress no. Enke no pay yen to cross say sa na echo we are looking for.
Wait but two mo say Ashanti Regional PR of Guta say yeah. And open to Guta National Executives ne Council of State. And so she on this same issue. Send be able to me I finalize it on the issue. But among forces is still Kumasi under declaration in the manima do a as a result of the Kumasi. So she Guta penny for class from Mukaya. Sike new Krum to ham fee Xmas class a bear day patch and Fibiadi.
Yeah, me fatia wo me 1975. Me je say bronya bia asia ma adwadifo aka say afi we die. Adwadie course na me ma me makola wo ma. So aha. I as so retirement din afi bia adwadifo die. Sa na yete no. O say afi die nyanka afi na ekoye no. Better akwese me boa. Afi bia sa na tie. But ebeko ase no.
Be no kwese afi
bronya wo be last year sa.
Last year, afidi Kumasi sheshan afibia.
Oh, say. Obi ntimi nka say nyama ekoso senia anka ye ne da so anasa nka ye bepe no.
Okay.
Nyama ba ko mienu bi da bia ye kan. Nyama ba ko mienu benti senia na ye projection set ye. Senia ne ye hwe nimu say betimi ama krono nyama atimi akoso no. Insisa. Yeah. Ebia na America na wo hwe cedi dollar a relationship here. Ade abema nyama aye tight kakra but ye wogidie pa say nyama aban no ade esi ekwan mu eda make finance minister on Washington baby odi Ampofo-Adjei ye wogidie pa say before obeko parliament in November no na sa woso a wose ye ne IMF di ni nyina na ekosi emi ehu supporter ye benya fi IMF. In fact da ebe say announcement na keke no eno kra ma external investors no it's me enya gidie bi say oh man ya me ko ikra say emre so na me investment e ho me twe a o metimi enya dollar e de e ko ba bi a me dwetire na efi no eno kra de sa confidence na ba betimi ama sa depreciation of the cedi no enye say betimi am ebema depreciation of the cedi etimi akoda enye yenko awo
amanfo say
enye yenko awo
amanfo say artificial with that spot
artificial to the extent say as on mine that be ayeko yen ba memo 2017 ye ka chen say awe na amna kosi do bi eno na nchen no kura ne pa no say ene aban sika eko aban futuo mu ye de ne ma mensa ba ko ye tu adwuma aban adwuma ye fo eka de si eka ye di amanfo ni ehun si ye tua de di mensa ye transfers to statutory funds NHIS get fund na asa enti yenya bibi as omaya ye di beye capital investment bi ama omaya na timi akọ just say ye break this cycle no until say ye be break this cycle e be din ye be say ye be break this cycle no enu nti na ye ba ye dua de aduane a ye di emo o hwe emo a ye import every year if you am on eba nya this pressure to cedi no so because also up $1 now the cotton moon
okay but
also ye kwa bonte eko sim say dey me dey ya na breaking me heart breaking me heart say me gina chimota na me hu jenny tomatoes a efi bukina eba na it breaks my heart because I don't really understand ni nyina no the pressure to cedi no so 18 years started policies planting for food and jobs in South. And because say those policies no because amienya ho faso 1D 1F no ebedin amaye as on my
amanfo bi kra calling for even for the review of 1D 1F to situate it well with kwen betimi afaso aboama ye cedi to dollar no ebetimi ejine ye because question bi mbusa say what kind of factory na ye bie is it matching with a niema Ghana for ekra edifra no ne eba no the quantum of production ya ekoso how one a 1D 1F production betimi ate enema odo ya credit free amano ne so eba tie beba ho chief
yes
Kumasi traders
I brought me that
Ghana Revenue Authority
I mean for the cases na me chia oni minua ne ahwefu nyina
it does
to be honest me tie honorable na I am a yikakra. Sentini say, if you be na yaba bidru baby a yidri.
Sure.
Na Kumasi traders ya momo shedding. Na saying over here there was something on social media. Onuya, I think your sister station for Ekoye town hall engagement be with some traders in Ashanti region. Now, what the MPP did, they said, Omoko dominated program, no, and they were talking as if there is no problem. Now, the president cried, the Baumia, the Masulok B, Sikebia, the support, you should check that video. Now, Saturday, no way, and thinking said they are going to share now Omafa, Ghana for Fantifosi in Dome. But you see the reality. Now, honorable. Talking about Euro bond and whatever, they drew maybe no now debt, local debt crap, people were buying into it because they believed in the system. Say intino, say kane wo hono, ye pesca ma on ya fa kwan bi su no watu ya asomaya, ye beba, ni ababe so mo asen, say ne be ya mu benyeska. But today as we speak no, sa confidence ne be ma obi e dey say sika na bama Euro bond and Euro market now can you to me enya and Fasua Nasi support beyond. It's no more there. Now, what saddens my heart and I say, Honorable, when are you people, this government, going to admit the fact, say, and no man baby Druno, maybe I had to touch Shebi Nankoyi into Muma and Fanny say, when are you going to admit that fact? Now, you guys are always playing around the things, say, at the end of the day, and you hang Kwang, Sane Tiu, and the Fahi Kusi. Massa. If anything, this government is unfortunate because democracy in Nigeria, and you know, we have nothing to do as Ghanaians, just about elections. Now it appears the government has become clueless as to where we are from, where we are going, comparing to Omo promises through their manifesto. That is the social, if anything, contract between the government and the people. And you rightly ask, which I will get there, about the production in terms of factory and what kind of production are you expecting to say, you can't just get up wholesale and say I'll do something keke without looking at it say we na me ya beboa. You mentioned something about tomatoes near there, babe, which we know the situation. And you know, see a produce we can find a way. Into me and we'll meet them halfway. But is that what they are doing? In fact, a lot of people, Ghanaian, some sort of, if you like, hope be. Say Nanka from 2016, about 2020, I buy some back say 4 more to do more. And you know, your money be now man for 100 you bit me. But it appears say the hope Ghanaians have no looking at the government perform no. Government in Ankasano and massa hope no. Bruni Beka say abe hopeless because JJ now wo no. It is no more there. Na GRA. Why? GRA ono anye multimedia. Obedi ujuma bi asebi you don't care the ABC ewo mining. GRA nipa oda no kra no politically appointed. And it say GRA won hihye papa bi kra na so de ba be bo mangana. Na say nipa na odi omonim ne hwe na san hihye we no ebo ebra wo nioma bi amo hwe se mo beye as a government ebetumi abo the same people na ban we dinam. Why not? They can have a way and discuss it. Now, let's forget about even government appointee and look at it from a point, say, how do we introduce a policy, a new thing, a sign are you getting electronic into the market area? And I say, the traders are a woman, and I say, business community.
Yeah.
Massa. GRA engagement being on traders, no, edinkan aye. Public. Yeah, program yeah the nigga. And so you sorry and party programs the course ni hu the course. And then na yate. E wo assume. Efa GRA sheshe hu say and na mo bi say na opeso too. Now if you talk about the fact that returns no is not up to her. When did you realize that? Is it this morning? There should be a point, cut-off point you be who say ya makwan ni say akoso nti mo aye ni mu din kita ho no. Ye mamo say period way within that time. Say she ye ni na ne papa munti ye migrate if ya I could do something so that traders no krom ye adwuma no they will adjust to the system. The omo person mo achieve no ombe achieve. But you see that is not, you see you guys are too desperate in the sense say let's do anything for IMF to see say we are consolidating figures na ye betumi
yen this way IMF in India.
Oh, now why? Now, what is it? What's the end game? Is it not money? This whatever tax, yeah, you and Grofwa to shop me. At the end of the day, revenue. And I buy her. Now, say IMF, I bet who say, Sikano more did na manasa. Na kane wo hono si e boa mokrana mun to me enye twede e ba na so. It's not only about this. So restructuring na omo kano. And what they are looking at to say as of mine we have to because a kane mini no. The things we are going to hear in our Yasumuno. Yes, it is getting to a point they will market on the wall. You better discuss. Sika uwe nyakra udiakwa kusi aba hono. Aba de nisa aba boom. Because maybe yes. Because in Mpensenpensenmu do no. Say banisa. Yes, if you are doing. Oh no, it's true. Now, if I'm coming. Why? Didn't we? Yanfa banks in Bomu Makrofo. Sebi usika yanfa Bomu. You have to find time and make sure so because konya scan. But this is the time I person unya. Say you didn't get it. Now sikano. Yes, sikano unya ne yanfa man ne the man next week. Is it the same money? Please. Yenya mofradon okruma. And you see, it's sad. It's at this position now, a national organizer. He's feeling the heat.
Yeah.
And he should direct it to the government. Now, government who say they are doing something wrong. Government told us that we are moving from taxation to production.
Yeah.
What has happened? Obisa question be said. Say a situation now, you won't say ya. Now, Mpensenpensenmu do you see production here? And you know, what do you call that? One district, one factory. We are looking at it from as a country, not for political gains, not for votes. Ghanaians are tired because maybe everybody want to see that their life is progressing. Until we are looking at it from a point like he rightly mentioned, tomato. Ebi I who say a shortfall ni season we ni ba just ye ko hani akofaba. Ye de ba na eko nyina scanning tina Into a moye system nim entino we na ya deliberately say sa akwan we no ye dua dodo ye he factory kra be ye production e be to me so DB you know ya ma can say from raw material no ya upgrading the kakra na nkrofo to me ato na sika na system nim ne aka. Why the traders we are talking about? And I was very disappointed and I apologize for you. Say ode o ma me reference now say o ma me wa ton ade a na sa na tie masa o ma me hwe wa ne rebe ho pa se ni ma me hwe show ya ne rebe ho sentin say enye sa na tie boss obi eni wa sorry no pa wa ka say bro nya di nyame atoma na o ka sa me ne ne ya hwe but senior
na ede na meka
senior
how different is
it from bro nya ye di ewo na nado danko akufado ba omi akufado aban mu eni de ye ba be komu ya. It is saying Yanka. That is what Ghanaians have been subjected to. Dollar, do you know dollar now?
11.2.
11.25. Now say 11.25 no say senior o kwa koto bro nya mpaboani bro nya nyoma no ama won kola na mo fi akoko na mo bewe no. E mo na odi be kofie na. Sa nyoma no market no exchange rate e will effect wo so. Because shoe ayeye wa ha na soldier for ni police for shoe.
Yeah.
Should do on shed and consulting mostly outside and neighbor. Sa nyoma enya effect. But this is a government that for the first time in our political history, yeah, politics, yeah, the petrol from Kufuor time, Gallon, yeah, say ubet me to ya, prof, did that. This is the first time. We have a sitting vice president, multimedia, more engagement to her, or say the dollar has been arrested. He gave hope to people. In the sense, the economic lectures in Nyoma Odigu Akwem, people believe that he is a super magic man when it comes to economic issues. Today, how much is the dollar?
Say external factors.
Why? Now, every time a dollar will be internal factors, external factors, determine how I exchange rate. It has been so from Kwame Nkrumah. It's not President Akufo-Adjei. And issues are about externally.
But Chief, from where you're sitting, if we say, oh my Ghana, deliberately, your plan B to say, you sit now or they know, any dollar net me.
You are an intelligent guy. That is where we should be looking up to. There is no plan. That's why I told you, say, the government has become clueless, and we had hope, the people of Ghana, Eto Obama, Akufo-Adjei. Do you have any hope in this government? You don't. But where you sit, you can't say it. Because and she say now the big go akwemino any kasa out the my any say na ubi di esono. And no be my hope say and amona utuni a results na bana bibi papa biba. But nothing is happening to the extent say you even have the government decide on an issue. Cabinet, Nasi. Reverend GRA, I don't think they just get up and they are doing what they want to do without reporting through the appropriate ministry. Also, I'm reporting here. People don't know what they have. What is happening at GRA now, the finance minister knows. Because at the end of the day, a revenue, I reckon at the end of the day, also, or no. But what happened? He has taken a party national organizer to issue a statement telling GRA, say, why. It is clear. Say, at the end of the they themselves know they don't support the idea, say, Eddie traders na kusi ejeja, and you are complaining that why should they lock the shop? I agree. So be too kwamba no beto adina wenye bia. Why? We will all be worried. Me na me too kwan na me koto adia. I will not be happy. But massa, capital na grofudi ejuma na enya abansika. Enya abansika. This is the same government onu ondwene ho enhu say wadwuma na wo ye na ekosan ya na ekoyie ba ne die na ehia no which eye to a ye agree say so utua no. Or the system say ba Kano no say na mo ye ne kra wo betumi a explaining ame who say enya de a o adwuma na koso say na expected. You know the GRA they give people projected tax a year they have to pay every year. They look at what you have been doing over a time and then they project say to you say and you go to them. Sometimes we be on the projection increase into ordinary returns back on at the end of the year in the account, you who say, oh no, we cry charge or less until they calculate accordingly. Obi so a projection here, the man on the Nedumane cry and could do so. The truth of the matter is honorable. And your politics as a system 19 or non honorable Nangasa only say, what on there? Yento. Obi bana o di free no because o person o di free na your man so kono who say at least you are trading and no so the free nipa nso a onye sika so nye den ontua common Gary
Honorable, your plan.
it's a problem.
And I can say
plan.
Oka plan. Oh, economy ne senya me sometimes no GDP kra man for ewo economy no it me emanyama esesa. And I can say external factors. Because what can external factors? The entire can say for the first time in a very long time. Dollar no, and year against the cedi no kwa. Dollar no akoso year to date. If it's January basis now, 15%. 15%. To say dollar no a more do same pound sterling. Maybe 2-3 years ago, no, it was almost $1.5 to a pound sterling. Yeah. And the dollar no a more do same pound sterling. And you're gonna have one as some no. But the here say sa situation ya ye woman no. A day na aban ye afa ho. And I make also I can say. And che bia IMF for 2 weeks. You say Minister Diomichi, ye make sure say whatever a year ye ne IMF no benya no. Ye be make sure say before ye be kan ye budget in November, next month no. Okay. And she share na kosi. Ye who say mo ene ye nya fi IMF no so say mo an kwa me say da ye be announcement amanfo be who say dollar no available no eno kwa ema nyam nyam esisa. Last week it is a cocoa syndication over 1.13 billion. We have that. It's yenya's those sources no. The entire yen ahochire kese kra banana say. Two issues. One, public debt baby akosi. Number 2, lack of access to international markets. And yes, Anka, every year, no, yet me eco euro market. I will refinance this thing. We'll get access to dollars. Now, it's me eco. And I make a 125 factories now, yeah, under 1D1F, no. A bit me a compenswa, ye tomato bill, ye, a beba down. A commander will come online to the extent to say, your sugar consumption will not need dollars to go to Brazil to buy sugar. A process. Now, yeah, no, and ka abanya abetwem akono. Sanko so to me a year kakra. Anke ye be simple. Yeah, beba be, we ka chen say. Me ka yo, yes say. Ya wi nam na kusi dom pene ti na reserves bi ado e bi kura ni ho e ti da bi ade e say ya wo ato amene yo da na we pie na ye wo stress
honorable enye ke bi ma mi ke bi ahun because me so ano na me kwa me kasa because
but na me so ma wo kasa ma so
ma mi ke bi ti mi so na enye
na me kasa kwesi me ke ye ba ye na ka chief ba ye o si o kan this buyer best and you see when we're in opposition you can't Ghana for say buy you be free SHS you buy you have policy alternatives you opposition no you can't Ghana for say buy
also power side one may alternative
there be also power answer and there was a basis out there with the also power answer and yeah power answer you want position na nyama air down south no you catch Ghana for say you buy be 1D1
honorable we dey
you buy betimi as na make Kumasi nyama air cost so no enche bia e ho dey si so ame
yeah
still am for pe akwan still am for air say omukania e besi so still am for expert say aban ebe creating human ama the youth ni nya na
abanhwe sikasem so ye
oh na and they are very transparent oh me can say what aban under the new patriotic party since 2017 you operate law be a friend of Public Financial Management Act your first government yet you operate samra no eba 2016 so and no transparency di ba e wo parliament no enya adekitu for the first time transparency $100
yedi akoya ade foforo
na de wo sa ade foforo na ye kan ye shares na egu enya so obi efa ekoshe
ko da bi emra ne kire ne ye fa sesa ne party
eno kra ne ye Oil Revenues Act na make but make Public Financial Management Act kire aban esika sem GRA de se ne ye wo se ye budget ko processes our budget very transparent. It okay say aban ubisa say aban ehwe process very transparent. Ghana ni bia at every point no utimi ehu de ekoso ewo aban esika ehihie mu. Nti ni make ni nyina no e wo say kan ya no sisu akwan no ekoso schools no ye bio agenda 111 ekoso ni nyina na wo say ekoso. Nti enya de a ye betimi atwen say ye ko leave because CD dollar no debi nyama ekoso eno ena ye ni da so ayede Ghana for say ye gidi tumu say edwoma edin de but wo say oman no ekoso
de tia ora na me bisa o say ye what plan as oman no
obeche man no pa
say ye hwe 1D 1F ya ye kan wasemi no kure wo mpa na ye say honorable the kind of rice ya ye credit free amono ne ba ye mem me mu Ghana ni bia adwuma nimtia any the kind of emo ya ye dwi o emam what it what him say taste quality difference wo it am say what kind of factories na ye bia e wo ye mam because
akwesi
ade ba ko na
akwesi me twa no
okay
ene ko Nigeria ko any top restaurant bia wo Ikoyi ko any top restaurant bia wo anywhere in Abuja so be the perfume rice of a local rice. Local, they have accepted say as a country. You ain't me enko say that acquired taste for perfumed rice no. Sanka Nigeria as a country, we show more currency. The cost of Nigeria say. We share baby bank central bank no exchange rate war. We share the local market twice the value. The cost of Nigerian. If Nigeria over 300 million people also had to import rice free Asia, the pressure can the better on currency and can the ketwa. So this is how we say
Nigeria for the kind of rice no more.
The kind of rice they started from somewhere. They didn't sorry, no munya as a long grain, so perfumed rice. No. They started from and that is what we as Ghanaians should accept.
Yes, and America say, you had no. Adana yem penkrofo bi ne enka omo mom nyesa say rice factory ye the papa gam ye gina hono baako it of say chief man ne bie ketua bi e wa ha honorable isa bie ketua bi wa ha akwasi se bie ketua bi wa so ba wi echi no ye ne bebregu but amafo ne mpe
enti e start ene wo hwe anhyehyɛ bi kra buy they buy commodity exchange ni nya aggregation say ne be ya paddy rice no o ye paddy rice say ye kitten kra obi ho a also to me aggregate akwesi aye 5 tons chief 5 tons me mato aggregate bako process it eye processor nyama gu akwan mu a nyama ya dom a we nya no ye beso ano kosi say oh ye break it na and also na be my point afebo and you betina be any policies because you cost 8 out now you must say yeah me akono afi na chief name Crawford ban
but the chief
me person me correct you see MPP for no sometimes I am in Kumasi any mu nyina na tina classroom in fact my masters in here.
How is that?
Oh, it's true.
Everyone can make break.
I will coin be as
well.
How? You see, when we are talking to you people are also alternative. You are insulting Ghanaians on integrity. And you are also trying to confuse the people. Kanona ni eche bentwa ediji vote no. Etwemu. Masa. Assembly ni say one kasa president Akufo-Adjei ye didn't see konwa so ano say everybody should not be a spectator. Should come on board. Sure. We should support him. You don't find differences in Tunchain. We have one Ghana. You will marry in a politics. And honorable, you know. Or your former MP. When you gave me about better TV, so no new opportunity. Not the back. Honorable. Time many a day a alternative at the Ghana for
me, you are.
Time me. I was uti krom hai oman hai unim se political party bia sorry akwasi unim se political party bia wo mre a ye be campaign se unim manifesto kran crofone ntoma are you aware na wo manifesto so ade wo pese wo ye se bia ba no ti so ye office obitumi aye bia kan na decide ni nyina kan what you do today aye nyina Ghana for no ne say ube criticize Abino constructively, which we are doing that, and they are admitting, say they are not performing, but they are refusing. Say plans no mudigu or manifesto mude kwa pron. And say nada kekena mude ko dada nkrofwana. And so please, let's settle that thing here. Sa alternative question. And your question be it doesn't make sense. You don't have to ask. Because there is time for a political party to put up a manifesto and then bring it out for people to buy into. But until that time, no, political parties and Ghanaians, what we have to do, and he say you be criticizing Abino constructively. Na ya tre no nyoma enkoyi emanatiti ye tre mo monte and stop playing politics and asking us alternative. Don't you know time I do alternative beba? And no nanche. Me patro no nanche see a good leader. You accept your mistakes.
Okay.
No one funny foforo. Okay? Now who accept you mistakes now? We are conscious. The word is conscious effort. He's sitting here talking about Nigeria. Nigeria, even though they have issues with their president and their system, if you listen to Nigerians and the things Omokana, it's a shame. Say, Yekrano, there is something better they are doing and we are refusing to do. Because the Nigerians also believe, say, and Kayen Ghana no, at the Papa, say, be to me free Nazareth. Effort ben na banya ye. I know, big. Now, I sometimes get shocked because you see, you hear baby my president in Kaweduna, and in a political, say, life or career history, okay. We never expected, say, after all the talks in terms of production, 1D, 1F, one dam, one whatever, the mindset everybody had, they say, you are putting the country onto some production driver. And that is why people got involved and they voted. They ditched Ghanaians. Why am I saying so? There was a time, this journalist, what's his name? City, Omo MD.
Benadavle.
No, Sames,
yeah.
You remember some made in Ghana rice, Adibia, he started doing campaign. And then people, Aberdeen government are buying. What has government, I consciously say, okay, we have seen say production where rice, I lifted. Massa, we were in government and you said all manner of things and you are there. Okay. And I'm saying, say, you cry, you are mentioning it. I buy. When we get to know, say, baby, I do know. I can't mean baby, I do know. I'll see she should be able to me assistant your memoir. Massa, won't to me you. I buy no authority, now I money power. Or no be to me, sir. And it is a buy take decision, be said. On morning point, except they say a perfume rice.
Yeah.
But this is the direction now Omano Yeko. Plan and you ubia buy into it. Say Yeko di rice. Yaku si say a dachimbi, a dim faso be the bread. And then the crown dachinti. The people are getting involved. And then I buy a one district, one factory, when they brought it, we said, wow, why? Everybody will be happy, say a district or factories and Krofu Juma. And they talked about employment, and they were going to create employment. Today, they have not been able to pay them. Say, no, feasibility, Akufo-Adjei catch any so why feasibility studies across the country. And they know in no buyer, me can't buy raw materials. Okay. And Tim see a factory now we are looking at, even in a Kumfi. Where I said to President Akufo-Adjei, say, once what they are swabable for man and nanu I never gave them time to sleep. Me jina also to make sure say at least my people. So I promise now about and if everybody was doing that, me sure say he do baby. Because President Nenibeto, by moving to Ahimfo and cutting sword and promising say oh yeah. Factory no. Factory ni aye no honey crown. Again na buying aye. In all the education free friends SHS, Yeman Crawford Dubai, school feeding ni ade nyina say oh, and I'm see a person ye boa. Now you expanding production. Now microphone e ho nye adwuma ni bi enti. Ya said I say we dey enko baby akra central region. Aban GS. But modern na to say ni say wo wenu ho. Say na be ya betumi dia man school for e be boa. Emma adwuma no mo ye no. Akoso na factory ni pia. What is aban bibi sa?
Government needs her effort no.
Government ni plan ni focus ni direction see kedi. President Akufo-Adjei ni na ban. E kai abo. Look, when you talking about that and he said Esra sign no hydro. Okay, ye can okroma. Ye fanka ye debt e profile ho kra. They say no. And I'm saying yeah, butter ni say and the IMF buy. They have added it and you have accepted. How can you lead the people, govern the people?
Good morning.
You always want to lie to them.
But as a chief, my come for message kakra.
Politics are about lies.
I can tell Chief Bani that for more than factory. Me patch ready am for test message.
And say oko ukru me factory.
Honorable, patch me come for test message. I can tell Chief Bani that for more than 40 years, the dollar has never overtaken the pound sterling, but now the dollar has overtaken the pound sterling. Due to economic challenges confronting the UK. Is UK too bad? Alex to 4 Edward for Germany and or they buy. We see Akwasi, good morning. Under the Fourth Republic, Nana Adom Akufo-Adjei is the best president ever in Ghana. Piaga from Achim Asafo. Akwasi, good morning. Please, we appeal to traders at Kumasi Adom. Akwasi, yeah bro, come and say line. Line. All stores, shops, closed. Kojo Asempa furniture was with Kumasi Adom and or they buy. About 30 seconds, Nimko.
Ne no krepa na say. Aban enka say niama ekoso senia nanke ye ni eda so say.
Okay.
But the here pa no say yento yensan go wiemu enka say the ekọ no ye ni ehun solution.
Okay.
Amanfo enya abotre emaye. Kosi say ye beko Parliament in November. A day 2023 budget abano. And she shared the kwemu nyina ebeto so a.
Okay.
Dollar na cedi no ebe stable. E stable so a the akani nyina. But policies no be so to say planting for food and jobs. One district, one factory. Ni nyina ye be share Ghana for so almost support policies.
Okay.
Eno kwa na betimi ama ye dachi.
But I say Honorable Isafu Senior former MP for Okaikwe North and Chief Bani so national deputy organizer.
Now wakasa baby ni baby nyina chief. Metia wakasa 20 minutes. Metia na oye 20 minutes man count there.
Magana for nyanti.
Metia na wakasa 20 minutes.
30 seconds.
30 seconds na be o de wakasa 20 minutes.
Ona me say ya mo betra one district one factory one this and munyaka. Say nkrofo bre. Guta for
Debi o se minya
obi eni ho a osori anopa etwa brodo akogina factory see emfa botanship tija de o kan factory we kufi nkrofo bre and I'm telling you say it doesn't mean say oh honorable president Akufo-Adjei ne aban ye kasa munti failure is not the end of a man's life and more failure munyintum na Ghana fu nyine hu say ya to jeja ya to ba ha be bi enyi wa ye beko na ye kwa be fa so a be democracy nti ya be gine tata na emre papa so. Now look, we can't continue like this. This government is a total failure. We thought it would be useful. It has become useless. And it's a fact.
Chief Bani, National Deputy Organizer ma NDC Amanyo Committee, the Akwasi, in Senaseke Sekoma production team. Dominic Esiabu Akofi Ampofo-Adjei Hine, Priscilla Sound, Camera, MC Amunyina Damunyina Mase, Samboy Chidom, Emma, Jumedi Ewie Pay. Yamian watch Nanopa, Yabesa Ediesia. Background.